perfect. But some things don't need to be perfect. So there's a difference between perfection and optimalism. So be an optimalist, not a perfectionist. So this is done good enough. A lot of people struggle with this in their work life and in terms of outsourcing. I can't outsource this to someone because they won't do as good a job as me. And that may be the truth. But some things don't need to be done as well as you can do them. Sometimes you can outsource things and say, okay, if this is done to 80%, that is enough. And be okay with that happening. Because if you're a perfectionist and it's either 100% perfect or 0% and there's no grey area in between, it's going to be really hard to be confident if this is the only way that you can be confident. Anything else is a failure. Anything else takes you into this really dangerous feedback loop of lack of confidence. Sometimes give yourself permission to not be perfect.